gonna prepare the sushi together. Actually, she's gonna teach me how to prepare sushi. So join me. So guys, I'm on my way to her house. We live in the same community. It's like 5-minute walk from my house to her place. So let's go. I'm almost there. This very tall building is where she lives. So hi guys, I'm here with my friend. She's called Hannah and she's from Korea. And today we are doing one of the Korean recipe called gimbap. Other?
Kimbap.
Gimbap. So it's a name for sushi. I think it's one of the sushi's name. Gimbap. So that's what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned and let's start preparing this gimbap. Gimbap. Okay. So guys, we are about to start the sushi, aka gimbap. So right now she is peeling the carrot. I think we are using carrot. Okay, let me show you guys what we are gonna use here. So what is this here?
This is spinach.
Okay, so here is spinach and then egg.
Eggs. Das ist Redish.
So she said this is Redish.
This is Fischkuchen.
And this is a fish
cake.
Also fish cake.
And we have here cucumber and also the cooked rice. And also this is what we're gonna use to wrap the sushi. And carrot. So guys, as you can see, she's shredding the carrots before we get started. So get yourself a glass of juice, wine or anything, and let's get started.
Now she have to slide this is
fish.
So the fish. So this is a fish sheet. And she's sliding it into, I don't know how many pieces, but okay.
Also Fisch zuerst so zerdrücken und dann mit Mehl ein bisschen dazu
okay.
und dann so einfach frittieren.
So, du hast selber gemacht?
Nein. So
okay. If you want this fish sheet, you can get it any shop. She didn't prepare this herself. She bought it. And then we have the egg here. I think she added a bit of salt as well. And now she's beating the egg. Okay.
Und andere Gemüse auch.
Okay.
Das ist einfach Standard.
Okay, so she said if you want to add more vegetables, you can go ahead and then add it.
So guys, on a medium heat, she add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And today video, I don't have any idea about what she's gonna do, so I'll be just watching her, but from time to time I'll be asking questions what she's adding, what she's subtracting, you know. So just enjoy. And then she add the carrot, and then she add a bit of salt just for taste. So 50 minutes zum Braten.
Und damit die Karotten ein bisschen weich.
Okay. So she said she will stir fry the carrot for 2 to 3 minutes or until the carrot is a bit soft. So I think it's ready. So this is the fish. Und ist die schon gekocht oder nicht?
Ja, genau, schon fertig. Aber braten
Okay.
besser. Das ist schön.
Okay. So I just asked her if the fish is already cooked, and then she said yes, but you need to fry it a bit before using it. So what is here?
Ei.
Okay, so now we are coming to fry the egg. Also here. And then she's adding salt to the spinach.
Sesamöl.
And then a little bit of oil. You can use also sesam oil. Kann ich andere Oil benutzen oder?
Sesamöl.
Okay. So I just asked her if you can use any type of oil. She said no. You have to use sesam oil. As you can see, she's rolling it. And then she add the rest of the eggs. Okay, I think it looks beautiful.
Das ist, wie heißt der?
Okay, Knoblauch. So now, okay. So now she's adding garlic, a bit of garlic to the spinach, and then she's mixing it together. Pepper.
Nein, das ist Sesam. Sesam.
Okay. She added a bit of sesame seed. So we still have the fish on fire, and then the egg is also here. So she's now turning the fish. I think it's a bit golden brown. So that's how it has to look like. So she's now sliding the egg. have to fry the spinach a little bit. That's what she's doing. So the egg is also ready. Also, sorry, the fish. The fish is ready. Oh, okay.
Das ist damit Sushi gut.
Und man braucht das, wenn die Sushi
Man
macht.
kann ohne das Ding machen, aber dann wird die Form
Ohne.
nicht so schön. Aber
Okay,
das macht
gut.
das Fest sehr gut.
Und wie heißt es? Mat? Sushi Mat.
Ball, also
Auf
auf koreanisch Ball.
Pile?
Ball.
Okay, good guys. This is a mat that they use to roll the sushi, and it's called bao. And this is the sheet that we're gonna use to roll the sushi. What is that? Okay, and then she's adding the sesame oil again. And then you stir it together. So we have here the kimbap, and this is the fish, this is the spinach, the carrot, and behind this nochmal.
Mit eigentlich mit Rohfisch ist eigentlich Sushi.
Okay. So I just asked her if there are different types of sushi, and she said some do it with raw fish. So you prepare the same way with rice, but the meat that you're gonna use is raw. And others also use meat, maybe instead of the fish and the egg. So when you spread on it and then you press it. And so now we are adding the spinach. So after the spinach, she's adding the carrot. And then the fish. Then cucumber, and then the radish. So hast du das gekocht?
Gekauft.
Nee, gekocht. Die Radish.
Ah, ja, fertiges.
Ah, okay.
Gekauft.
It's no enuanum a mohwɛ me wo madam fo bi a ɔyɛ Koreani na yɛ prepare yɛ si yɛ and yɛ ko one of omo recipes omunduane ni bi nti yɛ friend sushi na eno no omo use rice and vegetables nti eno na all kyerɛ me no. So now you have to roll. Okay, you have to use oil. Vasa. Oh, okay. You have to use a bit of water around the edges. And then you roll it together for it to be very firm and stick together. So before you slide, you have to rub it with oil. And I realized the oil that she used for this recipe is sesame oil. And then you spread oil on the knife as well before you use it to cut, slide it. Keine Angst.
Also,
Oder die Messer ist nicht scharf
kann sein.
Ooh, wow, yes, it's looking so good. Oh my goodness. Ah, yeah. So guys, this is how sushi looks like. You can see it's. I haven't tried it before. Today is my first time that I'm gonna try it. Ooh. So guys, do try this and let me know how it goes. If you tried this before, leave your comments and let me know the first time you tried it, how was the taste like, and which type of the sushi that did you try. Was it with the raw meat or with vegetables or with meat alone? So I think we are done. Food is ready. So she's the one who taught me how to hold the chopsticks. So she's here and I'm gonna see how she's gonna hold it and then pick the sushi.
Okay.
So, okay. Guys, look. Okay. Ooh! She just picked it and then put it in the mouth. Okay, so let me try and see. So, okay, so she said before you pick, you do this.
Damit das hier gleich.
Okay. And then so. And then you pick it like this.
Ja, super.
Oh, I did well. And then. Guys, you gotta try this. It's so yummy. Trust me. It's my first time and I liked it. Guys, it's so yummy. Eddie banana, Dizzy. It's so yummy, guys. Do try it and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. For you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. See you in my next video.